Subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update from Tweak Library.
Do you know what an app-specific password is? While it might sound like rocket science, it's simply a 16-digit passcode that can be used to restrict application access to your Google account without disclosing personal password for your Google account. Application-specific password provides access to your entire account bypassing two-factor authentication entirely. Let's see how we can create an app password for Gmail. Go to Google and click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Click on Manage your Google account. Then click on Security located at the left sidebar. Scroll to the Signing into Google section. Click on Two-Step Verification. The two-step verification window will appear on the screen. Click on Get Started. Here enter your Gmail account password and click on Next. In next window, click on Show More Options. Select text message or voice call and click on Continue. Now enter your phone number and click on Send. A code will be sent to your phone to confirm the login. Enter the code in the opened window and click on Next. Click on Turn On. Two-step verification has been enabled. Now you can easily create an app password to log into third-party apps. To create the app password after enabling two-step verification, go to Manage your account from the Home tab. Now in Managing Accounts, click on the Security tab in the left panel and then scroll down to Sign into Google. Here you will see the App Passwords option. Click on it, enter your password and sign in again to your Gmail account. After signing in, select the type of app and device for which you want to generate an app password and click on Generate. The app password will be created. You can copy it to the clipboard and click on Done. So that's how you can create an app password for your Gmail account. Hope you found this video helpful. If yes, then don't forget to like and share this video. Also, subscribe to our channel for more such videos.